Okay, so this needs to be how long? 9.5?
9.5.
9.5. So our regular ruler is only 6, so we have to add 7, 8, 3.5 inches. Okay. So let's try using this ruler, which is 8.5.
Okay.
Then we only need to add
1
an inch, right? Okay. So we're gonna take, again, a line. And this is this horrible ruler, but that's all right. And we're gonna line it up along the edge of the fabric. We're gonna put the inch line on the edge of your fabric. And then we're gonna line this one up. And again, we're making sure that the line stays across the bottom. So now you have 8.5, 9.5 inches, and just moved on us.
Yeah, this one's a little slippery.
Yeah. 8.5 and 1 is 9.5. So now you can hold this one, get this one out of the way, and you can cut your strip. Perfect.